question we hear all the time is, will your credit repair services actually help me qualify for a loan or credit card? And the answer is yes, absolutely. But let me explain how and why. First, our goal is to help you improve your credit report by removing negative items, outdated items, unverified negative accounts, as well as items that actually belong to you but you no longer want on your credit profile. When these harmful items get removed from your credit report, your credit scores often goes up, and that makes you more likely to get approved. At the same time, we don't just focus on deleting negative items. We also help you build positive credit. That includes things like adding rental and utility history, opening up the right types of credit cards, and improving your credit utilization. This combination helps you look like a low-risk, high-trust borrower in the eyes of the lenders. Whether you're trying to buy a home, get a car loan, or get approved for a credit card, your credit score, credit history, and debt levels all play a significant role. We help you optimize all three, so when it's time for you to apply, you're in the strongest position possible. Now, can we guarantee that you'll get approved for a loan or credit card immediately? No one can guarantee that because final approval depends on the lender, your income, and other personal details. But what we can do is help you meet the credit requirements much faster, which will then open the doors to much better rates, limits, and opportunities. So if your goal is to qualify for a car, a home, or a credit card, you're in the right place. If you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org and let's map out the exact steps to help you qualify with confidence.
In 30 days.
100 points.